Today I'm going to share a Morrisons haul with you. It's mostly food, a little bit of homeware. The total came to £90.69, and then I got a couple of discounts. So I had a spend 70, get 7 off, and a bit of a £1 discount off of meat. So it came down to £82.69. I thought I'd just get started with the homewares, couple of the food bits, and then these Cornish pasties I actually want to make for us for lunch, so maybe we'll just start there, just jump right in. So I'm going to make these Cornish pasties for my family for lunch. So I want to get them in the oven because they take about half an hour to cook, and while they're cooking I can film the rest of the haul to share with you. So I'll get these in the oven and then we'll talk through everything I got today. I just love these Cornish pasties. We often buy them. They're £3 for the 4 of them. They go, instead of using my big oven, I'm just using my little air fryer oven. I've got it on the oven setting, not the air fryer setting. I'm just going to cook them for half an hour. We love these. They smell good. They make a really easy meal. So that's heating up. While it's heating, let's start over here and chat through the little home bits that I got. So we've just moved into our new home, and we've got a garden. We haven't had a garden in a couple of homes time, so we need to accumulate garden bits. These were £3 each. I thought they were so cute, all the little mushroom bits. So our first little garden, buy these little mushroom ornaments to go in the garden. Always needing more duvet covers, so we got this double one. It was reduced to £6. It feels really nice. At Morrisons, I have been needing more pillows. Pillows just seem to just disappear around my family of 4, and I was going to get some off Amazon for, I think they were about £18, and instead these were £9, and I needed a summer duvet. Mind you, I just get too warm, so I wanted a thinner duvet. This one felt really nice, and I've got a Silent Night pillow. It seemed to be a good brand, so also £9. There were kind of discount offers at the front of Morrisons, so I thought that was kind of good. And I didn't really tidy up after myself, did I? After having the pasties, we'll throw that away in a sec. And I found this for £7. We're kind of needing a breadboard. I want to be cooking more bread, and I just love that it had one of these Scottish cows. I know that they're Scottish cow duvet cover, a Scottish cow breadboard, all of the Scottish cow bits, but my youngest son especially really loves Scottish cows, so why not? I know it's a trend and people are a little bit sick of seeing them everywhere here in the UK, but we like it. So we got this breadboard for £2, not £2, we got this breadboard for £7 to be able to make some bread and have it as a chopping board. And I can hear my oven just came to temperature. Let me pop the pasties in and then we'll start talking through all the food over here. I decided to put all of the homewares away and get all of the food out so we can talk through it. So this is all the food, so this plus all the homeware was £90. I got all those reductions, so it was £82.69. So we will start up on the left over here with rolled oats. I want to make my 4 ingredient granola bars. Haven't made them in a while, so I thought I'd get that to be able to make my granola bars. We've got a little lemon yogurt at the back over there. It's not a really nice Mediterranean lemon. We love lemon yogurts, so we got that. Now I got my chicken thighs to make my crispy chicken dish, my crispy chicken thighs with paprika. I love it. It's a recipe I've cooked over and over again. In our previous home, the only oven I had was this tiny little one. The main oven just didn't work properly. We were only in it a short time. Now we have a proper full-size oven, so I want to get cooking with these. I thought one for the fridge, one for the freezer. So that they were £3.40 each for all these thighs. I thought that was a really good buy. So that's really I'm going to do with that. I got a couple of pack of chicken sausages. We like this. We've had this brand a few times. I might just fry them, have them with some eggs, which I didn't get in the shop because I've still got some eggs left over, so we might get those. I found these chicken Vienna sausages. It's one of those fridge ready to eat straight away. Summer, it just sounds so good on these days where it's just a bit too hot to just have something in the fridge that we can we'll have something in the cupboards. We can keep them in the fridge if we want, that we can just grab and have as a nice meal. I got some pears, sweet pears. I just like they had the little lilo stitch on there, so they smell pretty nice, and sweet pears. I might get some baking with some pear recipes. I know kind of in the middle of summer, but I'm kind of thinking ahead to cozy pear desserts, so I might get cooking with some of that. From vegetables, we've got cucumber And we've got some broccoli and avocados. Our vegetables still have in the freezer loads of peas, and we've got some other veggies in the fridge. So that's what I got there. I got some brie. We just love having brie with our meals, and feta. This one looks pretty good. It was a little more pricey, but we thought we'd give it a try to just see how it is compared to other fetas. All my saucy bits at the back there. Got some golden syrup again for my granola bars, so I'm excited to make those. Like having lemon juice in our meal. It's quite nice mixing them about a teaspoon through when you're making scrambled eggs. It just boosts the flavour. I was shopping with my husband, so I was influenced to get this. He loves having Nando's, and so when we have home cooked chicken, he wants to have a bit of lemon herb sauce with it, so I thought we'd get that. We've got some of this UHT long life milk. The full, for some reason, the whole milk, they've popped up in price by 20p, but left the semi-skimmed a little cheaper, so I got a couple of those to keep. I got some rice. I quite like, with our paprika chicken, rice is always our side, so I got some rice because, yeah, we've recently moved. Everything's kind of starting from scratch, so to get some rice. We quite enjoy these Heinz Parmesan and mascarpone sauce. It's so nice, and bolognese, and so I just got a couple of them to stock up the pantry. We quite like this. I've got a local Morrisons and one a town over, and I went to the one in town over, which is much bigger, and they had so much more selection. So they used to have this in ours, don't anymore, but so I was able to get it in the bigger store. So we know we really like this yogurt. It's thick and creamy and delicious, and a really yum yogurt. I was quite intrigued to try mango jelly and quite enjoy strawberry jelly, so just as a fun treat for the kids, I thought I'd give them a try. Some jelly crystals. Now we've got a big oven. I want to get back into bread making and make fresh bagels, but I thought just to have, in case the time runs away with me, some bagels with a bit of a longer use by. I've got a week or so to use them as at filming, so I'm not sure when this is going to be uploaded, but I've got time to use these. And finally, a huge bag. I love how the UK here, they have wonky vegetables and fruit. Those are potatoes, naturally wonky. So it's 2.5 kilos for £1.49, whereas they had more than that for less. So it was good value with wonky potatoes. I thought they still looked quite good. Huge ones for roasting, maybe do some jackets. Just have a look, see what we use them for. And I got some red onions over there. I prefer red to brown usually, so I got some red onions to just have onions for more cooking. But that is the video for today with my Morrisons grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you want me to film more grocery hauls and other videos you'd like me to share. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.